Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the left front surface burner base on your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Lift off the left side grate and remove the appropriate burner cap. Use a T20 Torx bit to unthread the 2 screws securing the base. Lift the old base straight up to remove. Install the new surface burner base by aligning the surface igniter with the hole in the base. Thread and tighten the screws to secure. Replace the burner cap and reposition the grate. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.